start at the top. We'll put these little buttons in. They have a little spring. Pull the head, push through like that. So what you do, head first through the outer layer, pull it through like that. Repeat. Push through and pull from the inside. There you go. Head first, pull through, and like that. So there's just two of them. Then this one is blind. You have to work from the inside as well. Blind button. Pull a little bit to make sure it's there. That is relatively easy. These are normal buttons. Easy peasy. No problem. What we have here is cufflinks. Cufflinks. You rotate like this and put them through there and there. Yes, thanks. So to lock it, you rotate this again and it will stay in place. This is your waistcoat. It's adjustable in the back, so you can pull this up a bit higher so it overlaps with the points just over the trouser, but not too high, otherwise you see the shirt. So this is a normal, easy. Okay, they're a bit stiff, but you'll manage. Like that. And if you turn around for me, please. This one, you sometimes need to go a bit further than what is intended by the makers of these waistcoats. You pull it, fold it double in the lengthways and pull it further than was intended, but it will, that way you can put it tight. There you go. The little tail you can hide somewhere in the trousers. It's also quite easy. You can adjust the strap here with this bar, I think it's called, I don't know. Put this pin in here to put it on the right length. Go. Wonderful. That's great. Jacket. So you take out the cuffs. Okay, so this is your end result. Yeah. So there's a little bit of cuff underneath. And on the side there is a adjustable strap, so if it's too loose you can always make it a bit tighter with this button. Make sure the points of your waistcoat overlap with the trouser. If it's too high you will show your shirt, that's not good. And this needs to be underneath there. Points behind the bow tie. Good. Yeah.